Imagine a city reduced to rubble, streets empty, homes destroyed, and families displaced. Now imagine that same city slowly trying to rise again. Welcome to Gaza, a region that has faced unimaginable destruction, yet its people cling to hope and resilience. In this video, we explore the monumental challenges and the remarkable aspirations that define Gaza's journey to rebuild. Stay with us as we uncover the human stories, the obstacles, and the dreams that make this journey both heartbreaking and inspiring. Pause 1 to 2 seconds. Gaza, home to nearly 2 million people, has witnessed repeated waves of destruction over the past decades. Homes have been flattened, hospitals and schools damaged, and entire neighborhoods turned into rubble. Yet, amid this devastation, there is an unwavering will to rebuild, to reclaim life and normalcy. Today, we will look at the hopes, the challenges, and the path ahead for this remarkable city and its people. Pause 2 seconds. The scale of destruction is staggering. Entire neighborhoods lie in ruins. Thousands of families are displaced, children unable to attend school, and hospitals overwhelmed. According to international reports, infrastructure damage in Gaza runs into billions of dollars, leaving the city with one of the most challenging reconstruction tasks in recent history. Streets that once buzzed with life now lie empty. Electrical grids are damaged. Water and sanitation systems are failing. Rebuilding is not just a task, it is a race against time and circumstance. Pause 2 to 3 seconds. Rebuilding Gaza is not as simple as clearing debris. Access to construction materials such as concrete and steel is severely restricted due to blockades and political constraints. International aid provides critical funding, yet it flows intermittently and is often delayed. Political complexities and logistical hurdles add another layer of difficulty, making reconstruction slower and more complicated. Every brick laid carries a story of struggle, negotiation, and hope. Amidst these challenges, the human spirit shines brightly. Families salvage what remains, rebuilding their homes brick by brick. Local NGOs and community volunteers organize efforts to repair schools, hospitals, and public spaces. Children return to classrooms, small shops reopen, and life slowly returns to the streets. These stories highlight resilience and hope, a determination that refuses to be crushed despite the odds. Reconstruction also demands innovation. Engineers and architects are exploring sustainable solutions to rebuild efficiently. Solar energy projects, clean water initiatives, and prefabricated housing designs are being implemented to ensure that Gaza emerges stronger, not just rebuilt. International collaboration adds expertise and funding, but coordination remains a challenge. Every project requires careful planning and execution. A rebuilt city is more than buildings. It's about livelihoods, education, and community spirit. Small businesses are reopening, markets are buzzing with life, and schools are gradually returning to normal. Social programs focus on mental health, community cohesion, and youth empowerment. For the younger generation, these efforts offer hope, stability, and a chance to envision a future beyond conflict. Despite inspiring efforts, significant obstacles remain. Political uncertainty, potential future conflicts, and environmental challenges threaten progress. Urban planning must address dense populations, limited space, and climate-related pressures. Sustained international attention and support are essential to ensure that hope is not short-lived. The journey to rebuild Gaza is far from complete, but the courage of its people remains a guiding light. The story of Gaza is one of courage, resilience, and unwavering hope. From rubble to revival, the city's journey reminds us that even in the darkest times, humanity can persevere. Every effort counts. Every small victory matters. Rebuilding is as much about people as it is about infrastructure, and Gaza's story continues to inspire the world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth stories from around the world. Click on another video next to continue exploring similar content. Share this video with your friends and discuss what kind of content you want to see next. Your feedback shapes the future videos on our channel. Together, let's explore the stories that matter and spark meaningful conversations.